Hello everybody, today we'll warm up our leg for splits and how to stretch them without pain with good warm up. So firstly what we'll start to do, we take our knees and push down 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking this side and try open hip and back. So 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back. Try take our leg and open in the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try sit in this position. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and try move more. Good work. Take 2 legs. Take breathe out and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So amazing work. I hope that you like this stretching. You can do that on another leg and more do that. So thank you so much. Bye bye.